accountability there.
No, both parties. Both parties.
So let's get down to it. Tell me a solution. Tell me what these voters are supposed to do in November to stop the gridlock, but not the gridlock on spending versus taxing. What we really need is to shuffle the deck.
Oh, absolutely. Rick, this is not just an election. Look, nothing is going to happen between now and November, and it shouldn't. This country has to get up off its butt and decide what kind of country they want in November. And either they want everybody sucking off of government and we will tip over, or they want a free society, you know what, Rick, where you and I are responsible for our own lives. This country needs to make that decision this November.
I understand, and some people sometimes need help. I get that. We went through a horrible crisis. But you know what bugs me? When you start giving help, it needs to have a sunset. We all have helped people in our lives. We've all had relatives. These things need to sunset. When people that are less fortunate get really used to a little bit of help coming in the form of money, food stamps, whatever it is, it's very difficult to extract that. How can we help them, but help them in a way where we don't need to keep handing money?
Well, the problem is you don't get to keep very much of your money now. It used to be in this country where you make $1, you get to keep 90 cents of that. And you know what, Rick? The deal was then you take care of your family, you take care of your parents when they get old, you start a business. Now you make that $1, it's not your money. The government takes about 60 cents of it, and you said the hell with it. Government's going to take care of everybody. It weakens all of us.
Well, all I know is that there's a model for what you're describing doesn't work. It's called Europe. My opinion, what this election's about is, do we want to sing Como Talez-vous, or do we want to sing God Bless America? Carl, back to you.
Speaking of Como Talez-vous, thank you very much, Rick, for the violin. Let's